Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167. Alright. Hey everybody, this is Supercell EAS here, along with
Phoenix EAS.
Chandler, but whatever, South Cal man.
Your local Imperial head, the M12.
Your neighbor EAS Circle 100. You're in LA, he's an Imperial, you're not his neighbor. I'm his neighbor.
Okay, and we have a brand new weather radio, which we're going to unbox right now.
Oh.
Alright, so let's get her open. I'm opening bubble wrap right now, as you might not see, except for the viewer who's watching this video right now. So, here is the weather radio I got.
Oh god, my phone is glitching. All I see is my camera was so open.
The radio looks beautiful.
I don't know.
That radio looks better than my girlfriend.
Wait, you saw my girlfriend?
Yeah. Anyways.
And it was just a joke. I'm lonely. So.
Anyways, this, my viewers, is the Midland 74-210. I had the AC adapter for it some other.
I had a girlfriend.
Who?
What? Torque gun? What? I had a girlfriend.
Ask.
Alright. So, to ensure this radio operates well in the following years, we're going to press all the buttons, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs. Oh, there's a switch where you can switch it from FM to weather radio. That's nice. And slide all the sliders. That's nice. Now I know exactly where to plug this bad boy in. And that is right here.
I don't know about Supercell. I've never seen him extensively go after those counties.
Yeah. I don't usually go after that many monthly tests anyway, so because I'm usually busy from school and all that. So.
Because I taught Yuma's monthly this year.
His freaking Imperial didn't even test.
Imperial didn't.
Imperial failing like usual.
Yeah, I practically caught all the monthlies I needed to catch except for Imperial, because
as we can still tell, the M12 is still into Imperial County.
The M12 has an Imperial fetish.
Bruh.
The M12 is an Imperial hating.
Alright, now I'm going to put up the owner's operation manual of the 74-210.
No.
And we're going to set this bad boy up.
I am eating pizza. ASMR when?
Don't tell me.
There it is.
Oh, great, it's all sideways. The owner's manual is all sideways. As you can see, the owner's manual is sideways in this website. Let's see if we can get it in another direction. Not one direction, the band, but the other direction.
What direction should go the other direction? Because I hate them. One direction. 21 pilot supremacy.
Alright. I guess I'll go ahead and try to figure out how to operate this radio myself. Anyways, we are going to...
One direction. Michael Jackson card. Yeah.
Brand new surge protector, guys. Anyways, we're going to plug her in. We're going to see if she works. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. It turns on.
Greatest guys in the world. I'm not trying to hit.
Jeez, that's loud. Alright, weather band.
Partly cloudy until midnight. Becoming mostly cloudy.
Yay.
Weather radio works.
Yay. Yay.
Huh?
No.
Oh, that's an interesting sound.
What?
This one's kind of like.
APAYAN for 1,000 palms?
That sound effect is. Oh, gosh darn tripod. Anyways, this one's connected to the charger, that's why. Anyways, that sounds sort of like.
I swear to God. Torcon, what did you just say? I said, your mom.
Anyways, we're gonna go to program. What the? Whenever I press program, okay, whenever I press program, this happens.
Let's see. I didn't see what it said. What happened?
Anyways,
Seeing like a weather alert on screen?
I see weather.
That's what I'm seeing.
yeah,
That's what I see. Just weather alert.
weather alert.
Well, then again, I'm not familiar with the 74-210 as I don't know that.
Me neither.
At least it's on channel 1, because that's awesome. I like channel 1.
Ah.
Oh, there we go. Weather alert. Oh, it's a check mark. What the heck? I see. Listen to info. No idea what that is. Siren low.
Torcon sucks.
Siren low. That's a pretty loud siren. Sounds an awful lot like the Recom. Channel, we've got that covered. Channel 1. Clock setting. It is currently 6:12 p.m.
Yes. 1812. I want some drinkable sausage.
Eh?
I once put water.
6 digits county.
I think it was a burger patty into a blender. I kind of turned it into, I guess, a burger drink. I drank it and I threw up. That's nasty. Nasty. That's nasty. Are you laughing?
6 digits. Okay, what's going on? 6 digits county. That's your FIPS code right there. You can put your FIPS code in for your county. Multiple county.
Stupid San Diego.
We'll just leave that blank. Disable warning.
San Diego.
Oh, this is the defeat siren function, it looks like. I'll fiddle with this later. Disable warning. Multiple county. Disable warning. Add new message. This is one of the radios where you can actually insert your own event codes. So that's really awesome.
I think the M12 said.
What did you say? What did you say?
Is that what KIG-78 only tones it for?
I thought they did it for Imperial too.
Apparently I figured out...
They work for Imperial County Southwest, but they don't even relay for freaking Imperial.
That's stupid. Imagine.
Coachella Valley Cluster is Superior Cluster in Riverside, San Bernardino's
No,
clan.
you want to know what's stupid?
Don't relay alerts for Riverside and San Bernardino County twice.
But you want to know what's stupid? The fact that PSR has to cover a bit of Riverside and has to cover Imperial. Why can't SGX just cover that?
Yeah, why not just have KIG-78 relay PSR alerts for Riverside? They already have WXM-66 doing that for VF and San Bernardino.
Yeah, that's true. And doesn't I can't think of it.
WWG 21.
One, yeah, my bad. I took a break from this community. My bad. But interesting. Don't they like 1050 hertz the EF alerts for San Bernardino and Riverside? Yeah. And I don't know why KEC-62 doesn't serve Riverside and Imperial, since you can get it in both of those counties.
Well, since KEC-62 is on Channel 1, I can barely get it here because KIG-78 is also on Channel 1. I can also get WXM66. As far as I'm
Whenever
aware, none of my locals monitor WXM66. They appear monitor either KFRG or KIG78.
and whenever I'm on the top of Mount Laguna, like the very top, like the highest point of Mount Laguna, I always on Channel 6. I always get WNG. What was it? 584 and WNG 712 blending in together, and it sounds so weird.
WNG 712 doesn't relate.
They don't.
Not even weeklies.
Yeah. Anyways, I think we're... Anyways, the really cool thing about the 74-210 is that it can actually add event codes, as I think I may have seen in the programming menu, which is really nice. I think the WR300 does that too.
Sanji and CL100 also has that feature.
Oh yeah, the Sanji and CL... I guess so. Anyways, with that out of the way, I believe we set up all the functions of the weather radio. I'm going to get to the defeat siren function later. And yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for the unboxing for the WR300. Be sure to subscribe to all of these lovely people right here who are...
Phoenix EAS.
Southcom, damn it, Southcom, man.
EM12.
EAS Circle 100, aka neighbor.
Anyway,
Not the M12 neighbor. I am. I'm closer to him. I'm in San Diego.
Jokes on all of you. Mike can extensively cover Imperial, because I'm the Imperial head.
That's true.
And this will conclude our video. Stay tuned for more awesome Supercell EAS videos. I'm going to be setting the radio up just on that bookshelf up there with the Radio Shack 1200521, Recom R1630, the travel radios, and the WX167. So yeah, stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.